Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today we're going to be looking at a small chip in the concrete that I had. So we just had this poured not too long ago, and this little chip got taken out. And so the main concern is we don't want it to keep spreading. So basically what I did here is I just taped it off with some painter's tape, and this is optional here. You could leave it as a circle if you wanted, but I just kind of wanted to square it off. I thought it would look a little bit better when it was all done. Cleaned out what was down in there, and then basically from here took some silicone, and there's other products you can use, some that would probably match the concrete better. And so all I did here was fill it in, and then to make it nice and level, I took a credit card, an old credit card, and just swiped it across the top, and added more into the corners and did it a few times just until it felt like it was pretty level. And so of course when you're done with the silicone, you want to put the screw back in the front of it or something so it won't dry out the rest of it. And just came back through, lifted up the tape that surrounded it, and it seemed like it did a pretty good job. So the coloration will be a little bit different. This is what it looks like. And like I said, you can get some that's more cement colored or whatever, but this is just how it turned out. In this case, I think it's going to do the job and keep it from spreading a little bit more. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, please check the video description where I'll put some more of my dad job playlist videos where we install grills, the gazebo, the shed, all kinds of things. So if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.